Okay, everything should be set up. Okay, so we have a tornado on the ground right now reported from Brandon Kopic. Okay, yeah. Big tornado threat. Not that big, but big tornado threat. Okay, looks like there's a little bit more wrapping within the storm. Okay, still tornado warning on this. No correlation really showing up much. Maybe a little bit of correlation showing up right here, or the debris ball. Looks like this thing might get a little bit rain wrapped now. To have some more inflow coming in for rain. It's gonna get sucked in by the tornado. Most likely, it's gonna get rain wrapped. Anyone near, anyone in Watson should be in their safe place, or Dietrich or Wheeler. It is heading towards you. This thing could definitely still be on the ground. I can't really tell as much right now because it is far away from where the radar is, so I'm not getting the best of data. This storm probably includes hail in it, right around where the pink and purple is on the top left. Looks actually right now, this inflow or the rain is starting to head more into it, but it looks like this thing is starting to wrap tighter, so it might be gaining a little bit more strength. Yeah, but uh, anyone here should definitely be in their safe place no matter what, even if the tornado was here or not, because well, inside their house, I meant, because there is hail here. Okay, just got a big update. Definitely shows stuff right there going towards it or wrapping in almost. And this green just rapidly intensified, so this thing is definitely trying to strengthen. Yeah, it's definitely tightening right here for the hook, so it's definitely getting stronger. Looks like it might be around right here, maybe, because that's where the red and the green is, or it's probably near the hook, which is right here, which is also right next to the red and green. Once this storm does hook all the way around, it will be impossible to see. It will be rain wrapped, so do not go outside and try to see it. Yep, there's our second tornado warning. Detrius and Wheeler, it is now confirmed. You people that live there should definitely be in your safe place. The storm is moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Yeah, right here looks like rotation is tightening on velocities, which is the top right map. So red next to green means that there's usually a tornado. Is other tornado warning. The first one is going to expire in 3 minutes. But people that are still around it or where I'm circling, you should definitely still be in your safe place because you are still close to the tornado. Mason, you can probably get out of your safe place now. You're far away, but you might get like some second round bands coming in. But yeah, this hook, it looks crazy. Looks like a fish hook almost. .74 decibels. There's large hail in this storm. Yeah, look at there's a lot more red and green. This thing is definitely trying to strengthen up to drop another tornado. Looks like there might be a little bit of a debris ball down here, so it could be on the ground. There is a chance that it is picking up some dust. It might be dropping very soon, or could be already on the ground. Reported by Brandon Copper, this tornado is on the ground. So that debris ball definitely shows it is on the ground. Yeah, it's definitely got a hooking in right here for green. Hooked in right here for red. There's definitely some type of hook or funnel right here. Yeah, there's a little bit of wind shear. Yeah, this is strong. Big strong hook. Okay, wow, that is crazy upgrade. Right there. Really strong hook. Now the classic Supercell. Look, it's got its big circle, big body, and it has its main hook right on the down part lower. Yeah, I'm just waiting, because we do have cupping. Big cupping right here. That was at 426 for the last update on velocities. So there could be some changes once that updates. Okay, now it is updated. That was a pretty big change. Looks like it weakened on the green and the red side. It doesn't mean it's weakening just yet, but it could be slowing rotation down a little bit, maybe getting a little bit more organized. But Dietrich and Wheeler, you should be in your safe place. Okay, definitely looks like there is a debris ball right here, which is where it could be because this hook has intensified a lot more now. Yeah, Dietrich and Wheeler, one of you or both are about to get hit by this thing. So it could be on the ground or it could not. Okay, got an update. Looks like it's back here now. It's where the funnel cloud may be. Back end of this thing, so Wheeler, you are probably going to get hit. But Dietrich, you're still going to get hit by large hail, so you should stay inside or a safe place. Because this thing could definitely shift at any moment towards you guys. Since you guys are only about 4 miles apart. It's like there's one other. This one might get a little bit of something next. Maybe a warning. This does have the green, red near each other. That one just recently probably got severe thunderstorm. Yeah, the bend on this is pretty wild. Could be a sign of weakening. Yeah, it's getting a little bit more disorganized. But I think Wheeler, you are going to get hit. It is going to be merging with another storm soon, so it could mess it up or fuel it for more. Nothing really happening right now. Not too much of a change. Yep, it's definitely trying to regroup and maybe drop down again. It's fixed a little bit of that with possibly this is an info slot. definitely could be trying up here for this other, the merger. Right here for the rotation. Okay, yeah, that rotation has tightened a lot. It is definitely trying to drop down again. Oh yeah, it's definitely, this one might be getting a tornado warning soon, but this one's definitely about to drop down again. 2 to 3 areas of cupping right now. Yeah, rotation is definitely strengthened a little bit more, and the hook is definitely trying to drop down very soon. crazy storm. Yeah, I might be trying to drop down right here, which is also where some correlation is, or dust probably being picked up. So, might be happening down there now. Yeah, so this thing is probably dropping down soon. So Rose Hill or anyone near this area or in the tornado warning should probably be in their safe place immediately. Yeah, but the rotation or like red next to green is showing up very well right here. Also have a little bit of correlation, so a little bit more could be getting picked up right now. And there is a decent amount of wind shear, which is showing. It's in my bottom right window that I have open. No cupping involved yet in this tornado, or where the rotation is. Wow, that thing definitely looks like it might be trying to produce one. The merger storm up north. Okay, yep, that one just got a tornado warning on it. That one's definitely trying to produce. Anyone in Greenup, Casey, Moonshine should all be in their safe place. Martinsville, maybe too, if this storm is heading up north more, then you will definitely be in the way. Okay, big cupping up at this north storm. Big rotation, so this thing's definitely trying to produce or is going to produce very shortly. Hmm. This one just really looks like a mess up here. Yep, that one just funneled out. Did not do well. Looks like maybe the inflow got cut off to this lower storm. So this lower one maybe is going to start strengthening. Because it's not all of a mess now, it's got a little bit more time to get organized, mature. Yeah, so this lower one is definitely getting stronger. Rotation has increased. As this storm gets farther and farther away from the radar, we might eventually have to switch. Oh, wow, that might be a new one. Right here, it's got a good hook starting. I'll come back to that one later. For now, I'll look at this one because it's got rotation already there and it could be possibly strengthening. Definitely, from how this hook looks, it could be doing that. This one's not getting cluttered by a bunch of other storms too, so if this one does fire off, it will get strong. Rotation has maybe weakened a little bit right here, or the winds going towards the radar have penetrated it a little bit more. So, and the green has penetrated the red a little bit more. So this could be a sign of strengthening or possibly the tornado even dropping down right now. This one's definitely starting a little bit of lightning now. Okay, yeah. That new one definitely shows it starting to hook now. It's definitely strengthening for this southern shore. Let me look at the new one. That hook is really good. That is a good, well-defined hook. So this one definitely could be dropping down right now. So I would say anyone, Rose Hill, you should have already been in your safe place. Yale, you should maybe be getting into your safe place or starting preparations right now. Brennan Kopic, Okay, it's now got severe thunderstorm warned. Brennan Kopic also agrees with me that this storm is intensifying. This hook looks pretty good though, too, still, but the rotation's a little bit more disorganized. It's almost killing itself by pushing a little bit too strong. Oops. I accidentally made the screen go black. But yeah, if that other storm is rotating stronger and can pull all of this upflow into it, then this storm will not get cluttered at all. And it could get its strengthening in. This one's definitely either fizzled out or it is blended in with the rain. So even though you can't see a defined hook, anyone in Casey, Moonshine, Martinsville, you should probably be in your safe place. Yep, Yale, you are now under a tornado warning. It's got a really good looking hook. This other one also, his hook is starting to get well. So maybe Flat Rock. Really, anyone Stoy, Robinson, Flat Rock, Palestine, you should really be watching this storm. Oh wow, this one just strengthened extremely on its rotation. This one will definitely be getting tornado warnings soon. So anyone Stoy, Robinson, Flat Rock, you should probably be in your safe place or thinking about it very soon. I'll still look over this one, but it's kind of falling apart. So I'm mainly going to be looking at this one now. Let me see. I'm going to predict tornado warning. Probably about here. I'd say here. Here is where it's going to be. Yep, it's got a good hook right near the bottom. Yeah, this one could definitely be strong. It's got a little bit more disorganized on velocities, but this the green needs to get a little bit more down so that the hook can really form. That's what's kind of happening right now. Yeah, so this one could definitely be producing a funnel soon. Not really in the tornado stage. It's still maturing. Because this is not very mature for the green and the red or the rotation that you can see. But the hook is definitely forming right here. And it looks pretty well overall. It just needs to get a little bit bigger and the hook needs to get stronger. But there's definitely in the bottom right window, if you look, more wind shear. Yeah, that one's definitely starting to die out. Redraw this potential. Wow, that has really put all of the storm's body really into a hook that looks violent. Brandon Kopic is thinking the same thing as me. How is it not tornado warned yet? As soon as we see this hook turn a little bit more like that, starts to look like this, instead of this, then it's going to be crazy. Okay, it's strengthened a little bit more now for its curve. It just needs to get that full curve on, like that. But for right now, it kind of just is going down like a block. But we need it to do that. Hook up a little bit more. Kind of looks like it's maybe getting a little bit more disorganized because of how much it's trying to drop a tornado because it's getting thin. We can look at its transition though with this on. Just look at the top left window. Started out big, but now it's gotten thin. It looks like it's almost choking itself out. It looked pretty well before, but now it's gotten a little bit too slim. We need it to be like still need it to be like for the heavy stuff. Be here, the hook, be like that, and then it'll be crazy. Yeah, it just looks like it's almost a little bit thin, like it's gonna cut itself off right here. I drew the line. Yeah, this thing is definitely strengthening a lot. Oh, and now we have a tornado warning. This thing will definitely be intensifying soon. Anyone near Story, Robinson, or Flatlock, uh, Robinson and Palestine, I recommend looking for a safe place. Robinson, I recommend getting everything prepared to go to your safe place. But Stoy and Flat Rock, you need to be in your safe place now. It's got a little bit more of that hook that I said we needed to see for it to strengthen. With this new radar image, it definitely looks like it's hooking a little bit more. It's definitely strengthening. Yeah, it's so thin right here. It looks crazy. It's probably killing itself slowly. Have about 13 minutes till I'm going to end stream because I have to leave to do something. Yeah, it's getting really thin. Might die out. Oh wow, that was a big update. Okay, just got updated to observe tornado warning. That means this could be on the ground. Or it is on the ground. Big red and green blob. Hook looks like it's getting a little bit more violent, or what I said it needed. Yeah, this one just looks like it's kind of like a hail tornado now. So it's just gonna be like a hailstorm. Okay, yep, that just rapidly intensified. This thing is probably on the ground. It's got the ball like now. Yeah, so that thing is definitely on the ground. Definitely on the ground. It's got big hook, circle ball for where the tornado should be, and it's got strong rotation. So flat rocks, Thoy, or anyone in the path of this tornado, you should be in your safe place. Yeah, it looks like it's hooking a little bit more right here. It's starting to get thick again, so it's probably going to be another rain wrap tornado, like the one up here when it was on the ground, but it's not on the ground anymore. This one is an observed tornado, so it is on the ground. Okay, now there's a little bit of bad radar data, so we're not going to be able to see all of the velocities. Yeah, but it's still showing decently strong rotation right here. Still an observed tornado warning. And the hook is still here. Some of the pixels are disrupted, so you can't really see everything, like right here. But there is enough to see that this thing is still rotating pretty good. Yeah, that hook is really crazy. Right here. And it's got, like, secondary, like, strong hook right here. Wrapping into it. So soon, once this thing does complete its ball form, it's definitely going to be rain wrapped. Okay, yeah, looks like the radar data just updated. Hmm, weird. Lower quality there, but higher quality here. It's probably because it's decently close to the radar. It's getting disrupted a little bit. But yeah, right here, strong rotation. So it's definitely going to drop down if it's not already down on the ground already. But any one flat rock stoy, you should still be in your safe place. Even if you're in stoy and you look like it looks like that, it's not going to hit you. You should still be in your safe place because this thing is still hooking rapidly and it can still change directions. Strong rotation in the center. It's most likely on the ground. Waiting for another radar update, but while I wait, I'm just going to hit play so that I can see how this has changed over time. Just look at the top left. See it really forming a hook into that ball which it basically now has done. And the rain has definitely increased on this storm, so it'll be impossible to see this tornado, so do not try to go outside your home and look at it. You will not be able to see it. It is rain wrapped. It will be impossible to see. Looks like the rotation updated to now, like probably a couple minutes ago, or right now. But yeah, it still looks like the green and the red is strong. If any of y'all have anywhere that you would like me to look at, just say it in the chat, and I will look. Okay, looks like this maybe has done it now. It's got its ball right here. Okay. On the live stream I'm watching too, to see what it looks like on the ground, they just entered PDS tornado warning, and they are closing in on this tornado. So it is now gone PDS, so that means it is a particularly dangerous situation, so this is a bad tornado. Stay inside your home if you are in the path. I would say Robinson and Poundstein, you should get in your safe place immediately because this tornado is heading towards you. Flat Rock, you should still stay in your safe place. Stoy, you don't have to anymore because you are not in the tornado warning. Okay, yep, new tornado warning, Robinson, Palestine, you should definitely be in it. And it just now has particularly dangerous situation. So this is a strong and dangerous tornado. You should not be outside at all trying to look for it. You will not be able to see it since this tornado is rain wrapped. It has strong rotation. I'm going to have to end stream in 2 minutes. But if you want to look at someone that still has this information, go to Storm Chaser Brandon Kopic. He is live right now, right next to this tornado. But this is surely a very dangerous tornado. Because it is rain wrapped, you will not be able to see it, which just adds to the danger. The tilts that I'm changing is changing how it looks because it shows how the rotation is up in the clouds or higher into the atmosphere. So this will tell me how strong the rotation is throughout the whole entire storm, which it shows that it happens. So this is very strong throughout the whole entire storm. Okay, I now have to end stream, but if you want to see someone that still has this broadcast or is near the tornado, go search out Storm Chaser Brandon Kopic.